Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how we can remove pattern or password lock from Vivo Y12 very easily without any software box. Okay, and guys, if you have not subscribed my channel, then please do subscribe and share this video with your friends. First of all, install MediaTek driver in your PC, then simply connect your mobile and Miracle 2.82 free tool, open this. Okay, before that you need to disable your antivirus protection. Don't worry, I will give the links in video description all about the necessary files to remove pattern lock and password from Vivo Y12. Okay, disable antivirus protection and open Miracle 2.82 free tool. When you see MTP USB device failed, close it. Okay, you need to close this one, and here Miracle 2.82, select MTK, then select 8 boot, click universal and select Vivo Y83. No problem, just select this one, Y83, select format, then click start and restart your Vivo Y12. Okay, and just wait. To remove pattern or password from Vivo Y12, you must be installed MediaTek driver in your system. Okay, without driver it will not detect. As you can see, waiting for USB port, it will take some seconds to detect USB port. As you can see, factory reset done. Now simply close the tool and remove USB cable, then press power button to power on your mobile. Okay, press power button and friends, it will take some times to completely start your mobile. Okay, so just wait at least 5 minutes. Yes, now simply set up your phone and if you want to bypass Google account lock from any Vivo phones, then you can check my video description. Okay. Select country, agree, and connect Wi-Fi network. Next, don't copy here. Skip here, skip again, and skip this setup. Now skip here. Next, skip, and I skip here, use now. As you can see, we have successfully removed pattern lock from Vivo Y12 very easily, and this was the useful video for today. I will see you with the next one. Till that, please take care. Have a good day. Bye bye.